OE comparable configuration as either particle filter, single stage, or combination filter, with additional carbon layer to remove odor. Eliminates nearly 100% of exhaust pollutants and airborne contaminants. Easy to install onto most vehicles within 7 minutes. Installation instruction included with each unit. Provides clean air for you and your passengers. Recommended replacement interval, every 12,000 miles. Volkswagen genuine part number 1K0819644B, 1K1819653A, 1K1819653B, replacement Fram CF10373. Pollen, allergens, various fuel-based contaminants from the outside road environment all pass into and are filtered by your vehicle's cabin air filter, or CAF. A TYC CAF is designed to have the same or better filtration efficiency as the original equipment filter. Its identical dust load capacity ensures the same amount of particulate collecting power, while factory correct level of pressure drop ensures proper airflow through the vehicle's cabin. Each TYC CAF also comes with step-by-step installation instructions for ease of replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Overall easy install, but a little awkward positioning. This filter is great and fixed the sort of crayon, mildew smell that lingered in the car whenever I turned the AC on. Previous filter was bad. That being said, VW does not give YLU any favors with installing this. It's an extremely awkward body positioning to get underneath the glove box, and you have almost no room to squeeze the filter into place. It almost felt like the filter was just a little too big for the housing, but with a little persuasion, you can make it fit. All in all, it only took about 7 minutes, and was pretty easy.